거야 난 이제 나의 꿈들을 하나씩 이뤄갈 거야 난 누가 뭐라고 해도 내가 말한 대로 이제 나의 모든 걸 하나씩 보여줄 거야
O-B-O-B-E-E-E.
Seoul, South Korea is alive with the dynamic energy of a new generation of youth. The capital city bursts with the expression of their vitality. From a country struggling with civil war almost 60 years ago, a new pop culture has been born. Media and advertisers across the country vie for the attention of this newly affluent and trendy generation. Mnet, Korea's answer to MTV, is a leading cable channel with its finger on the pulse of this fast-growing segment of the population.
Mnet.
A manic production team scrambles to prepare for the Mnet Countdown. It's a live show to decide the most popular pop star in the country for the month. All the big names are here tonight. The crowds are thrilled. One of the leading favorites arrives, Ji-hoon Jung, more popularly known as Rain. He's been here many times before, but this time is different.
혼자 이제 앨범 내서 1위에 오른 소감이 어때요?
네, 일단 너무 행복하고요. 그리고 한국에서 이렇게 또 활동을 하려고 하고 싶었었는데 성공하게끔 많이 팬들이 도와주셔서 너무 감사하게 생각을 하고 있어요.
생방송 M 카운트